Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, in our previous class, we have discussed about the different types of habitat. So, children, now we are going to discuss about the different types of organism on the basis of habitat. So, children, we know the natural living place of an organism is its habitat, or we can say in our simple language that the place where the living beings live is called their habitat. For example, a pond is a habitat, a forest is a habitat. An organism depends on its habitat for food, water, air, shelter, etc. And the several kinds of organisms are found in a habitat, we know, as we discussed. So children, there are two types of habitat. Terrestrial habitat. First is terrestrial habitat. So what do you mean by terrace? Yes, the meaning of the terrace is the land. So the organism basically they are found on the land. When they live on land, so the habitat is called the terrestrial habitat. So children, if the habitat is land, it is called terrestrial. Understood? Yes. The examples of the terrestrial habitats are desert, forest, grassland, mountains, etc. The second type of the habitat is the aquatic habitat. So what do you mean by aqua? Aqua means water. So children, when the organisms are present in water, the habitat is called aquatic habitat. And we know the example of the aquatic habitat is the ocean. Yes, pond, ocean, all are the aquatic habitat. So children, we can classify the different types of plants, different types of animals on the basis of their habitat. The classification of the terrestrial plants are like the first plants, terrestrial plants is categorized into hydrophytes. Hydrophytes are the plants growing on swampy or watery areas, or we can say the living in the water like lotus, water lily, water hyacinth, water chestnut, etc. Or in the common word we can say the singhada. The second type of the plants are the mesophytes. So the plants growing on the wet habitat, or we can say the living on the land with the sufficient water, like most of the herbs and the trees are the mesophytes. So children, the third category of the plant is the xerophyte. They living on the land in the dry climatic, having the scarcity of the water as in the desert. Yes, because the plants growing on the arid or the dry land, they are called the xerophytes. So example of the xerophytes are cacti, babool, bear, etc. The children, we have classified the different types of plants on the basis of their habitat. First is hydrophytes, second is mesophytes, and the third one is xerophytes. Now we are going to classify the different types of animals on the basis of their habitat. The first category is the aquatic. Aquatic habitat, they living on the water. For example, you can easily see the picture of the fish. They are living in the water. So these are the aquatic. You can see children, the gills are present on their body, fins, scales, or the tail is also present on the body of the fish. Yes. The next category of the animals is the terrestrial. So this is the example of the terrestrial habitat. The animals which live on the land are called the terrestrial animals. For example, cow, horse, elephant, lion. So children, you can easily see the elephant in this picture. So it is the terrestrial habitat, example of the terrestrial habitat. Yes children, the third example, or we can say the third category of the animals is the frog. Yes, the amphibians. They are the amphibians because the amphibians living both on land and in the water as frog, toad. So these are the third category of the animals on the basis of their habitat. Yes children, the next fourth category of the animals is the arboreal. Yes, the example of the arboreals you can see easily in this picture. Monkeys, yes, monkeys, squirrels are the examples of the arboreal habitat because they are living on the trees. So this is the fourth category of the animals on the basis of their habitat. So hope children this topic is clear. Today we have discussed about the different types of plants on the basis of their habitat, like hydrophytes, mesophytes and xerophytes, and different types of animals on the basis of their habitat, like aquatic, terrestrial, amphibians and arboreal. So thank you children. If any query you can write in query box. Today your homework is you should read the page number 108, 109 and 110. Thank you children.